Are you worried that your business is going to be marketing in the dark after third-party cookies are gone the way of the dodo bird? Well, today I'm going to talk about some ways that you can avoid that fate. I'm Tony Wright, and this is your Marketing Minute. Hi, welcome today to today's Marketing Minute. Let's talk about something crucial for the future of marketing, first-party data. With third-party cookies going away, businesses need to own their own data now more than ever. Why? Because without it, targeting your ideal audience and creating personalized experiences will become a lot harder and a lot more expensive. So, how do you collect first-party data? Start with the tools you already have. Surveys and polls can help you understand your customers' preferences. Loyalty programs who encourage customers to share their data in exchange for rewards can be a gold mine of information. And gated content like ebooks, webinars, exclusive downloads provide value while also helping you build your own email list. Once you've got the data, don't just let it sit there. Use it to personalize emails, create audience segments, and deliver better marketing experiences. The key is trust. Be transparent about how you use the data and always provide value in return. The cookieless future is coming fast, but if you invest in first-party data now, you'll stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for tuning into the Marketing Minute. See you next time.